Hey guys, September here and welcome back to my channel. And today for this video I am doing another polygel set. I'm going to do this hand. This hand is going to be a clear and white with some sparkly and some butterflies. Let's get right on to this video. Go ahead and do my ring finger first. And the MAKARTT clear polygel. Love that so much.
Try to fill my heart with your love. You can draw an elephant in snow. You can draw my soul. You can draw.
Put this on my ring finger. This is good as I'll be able to get it for now, but. This ring finger, it's just how my finger does. See, like this one, it's my finger. Ever seen that one video where the girl was like telling her experience at the nail salon? I understand what she said when she was like, no honey, that your finger that do like that. Because honey, it's my finger that do like that. Anyway, I'm going to cure this and then I'll be back once it's cured. Now that I'm done with that finger, I cured it. I'm going to take the white. Where's the white? There's the white. I'm going to take the white and do my pointer finger. This video, I'm going to say, is a little bit better than the other two. My last two videos. I feel like because I'm almost done making these videos, I have more energy. I'm excited. Next song,
I can try, so I can try, boy. Feel your heart, feel your heart. I can feel your heart now.
Supposed to do.
An elephant in snow. I can draw your soul. You can draw my soul. I can fix your heart when it becomes too dark. You can fix this wood. You will fix this wood.
Let me cure this and I'll be back. Let's talk about something. My nail is still curing, but let's talk about something. What is your favorite Netflix show right now? Right now? Okay. I don't want that in my video anyway. Let's talk about something. What is, I feel like you can see me more when I take my glasses off. My nails aren't curing. But anyway, what is your favorite Netflix? These nails make me feel different anyway. What is your favorite Netflix show? At the moment, mine is I was about to say The Order, but it's not The Order because I'm finished with The Order, even though I freaking love The Order. I love The Order. Anyway, my favorite Netflix show right now is Magicians, but something's wrong with me because I don't remember a period of. It's okay. Anyway, that was weird. I'm gonna keep my glasses on for now. Okay, so I cured this nail. I'm going to file, shape these up. That good stuff.
With your love, you can draw an elephant in snow. You can draw my soul. You can draw my soul. You can fix my heart when it becomes too dark. You can fix this world. You will fix this world.
Anyway, for my clear nails, I'm going to go over it with this. That's what I used here. It's gonna go over all my clear nails with this. This is beautiful, by the way. Like, I kind of like these videos better where you can like see my face while I'm doing it, even though it's not the best quality or what you were expecting. And I'm also gonna do the underside.
You're like a star, and you can shine. You can shine and make me smile. So I can try. I can try. So I can.
I'm gonna go ahead and cure these two. Should I just go ahead and top coat these? Comment down below what color Comment down below what color butterflies I should put on these nails. I was thinking put a butterfly at the tip of the sparkly nails, and then put a butterfly all over the sparkly nails. Put diamonds around these two. Call it a day. But what butterfly should I put at the tip? We've got yellow, purple, pink, blue, green, gold. Gold? Nah. Just green? Maybe yellow. I have yellow and blue. Yellow and blue. So this is probably gonna be like ugly. But I have faith in myself. That's not gonna be ugly. I haven't done an ugly set yet. There's not enough yellow. Okay. That's cute. Show you that up close.
I can cry and I can smile, but you can try. You can try. You can try to fill my heart with your.
So this hand has been cured. I'm gonna top coat this because I kind of digging it. Wait a minute.
My heart when it becomes too dark. You can fix this world. You will fix this world. You can. You can. You can.
So just gonna take down some bulk, clear it, and then I'll be back with the finished. Oh no. Okay. Butterflies are secure, so I'm gonna go in this BNC super nail hardener, which is not even a nail hardener, it's a freaking nail, it's an oil. I'm sorry. I can't wait for you guys to see this up close. Thank you for watching. This is the finished set. I had to slow this down just to get what I'm about to say in, but thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Stay tuned for my next video, and look at how pretty this set is.
I can feel your